So with A1, what, a week away, we have the Verb Moto power rankings for the 250 West Coast guys, and we're gonna go over this because it's kind of interesting how they put this. Obviously, if you're gonna look at the picture, it's Hayden Deegan, Joe Shimoda, Jordan Smith, Austin Faulkner, and Cody Schock. Now, I'm gonna say this for my own bias, whatever you want to call it. I do believe Hayden Deegan should be number one. That's the obvious one. He should be winning a title this year. Probably expected to win a title this year. Let's be honest. He's got to start if he's going to be doing 450s in 27. So this year, defend the next year, 450s in 27. The next three kind of surprised me. Joe Shimoda, yes, I can understand that because well, when he was with Kawasaki, he was very consistent, very fast. Last year kind of had the Chase Sexton front washout problem. Still fast, still, a competitor or competitive, but, being second, not actually a bad thing. And then the next two, obviously, being new team, new bike guys with Jordan Smith and Austin Faulkner. I would put Faulkner probably third, maybe second, honestly. He's always incredibly fast. It's just the fact if he can make the end of the year, if he can stay healthy, stay on the bike, not crash, not have a season-ending injury, I honestly would put him probably second. Maybe third. I'll put him third. I think those two should have switched. Jordan Smith should be fourth. Austin Faulkner should be third. Um, it's just it kind of depends on how both of them acclimate themselves to a new team, a new bike. Especially Faulkner, who's been on PC for so long. This is going to, I mean, obviously he's been probably riding that bike and with that team for a while, but it's still a big change. Your whole career spent on one team, one bike, one brand, whatever, and then complete swap into a new year. Jordan Smith, obviously, been on Yamaha, and I don't think him and Deegan probably have the best best relationship after what was it last year they had their little squabbles and running into each other and block passes and whatnot, so that could be a barrier for Deegan depending on how this year goes. um if Jordan Smith has a little bit of a revenge streak and isn't doing too well, he could play the cement barrier for all he cares. And then number five being Cody Schock on the Club MX team. Yeah, for the quote unquote or not factory, the privateer team, being fifth is pretty big. And he proved it last year with the crash, the shoulder blade, collarbone, whatever it was. I think it was collarbone injury, and then coming back racing the next weekend. He proved that he is tough. Let's put it that way. I'm excited for this year. Obviously, the whole racing break thing sucks. So A1 cannot come soon enough. I think as I'm recording this, we're like 7 or 8 days away from it. But this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's going to win A1? 450s, 250s, whatever it is. Who's going to win the title? You tell me. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.